Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in this tutorial I will show you how to open program using command line and how to close it. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your CMD command prompt, okay? Type CMD and open it. Uh, For example, first I'm going to show you how to start or how to open program which is installed on your PC. For example, I'm going to open a browser. How to open it using command line? It's very easy by using start and then the name of the program. For example, Chrome. Okay, as you can see, the Chrome browser has been started. And for example, you can start any program which is on your PC, for example, Firefox. Yes, as you can see, it has been opened. Yeah, for example, start. Okay, this Firefox start, for example, calculator. For example. As you can see, that's how you can open a program using command line. And now I am going to show you how to close it. For example, I'm going to open Chrome. Okay, and now it's open. As you can see down, it's open. How to close it? It's very easy. Task kill, and then I am, and then the name of the program is the extension chrome.exe, as you can see, and enter it. As you can see, the Chrome browser has been closed. Now, as you can see, the calculator is open. How to close it? Taskkill, and then I am calc.exe. Okay, that's how you can close and open program using command line. That's it guys, I hope you like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with it. See you in the next video.